With the introduction of the next generation Helm Master EX integrated boat control system, a majority of multi-engine Helm Master features are now available for single-engine boats. Joystick maneuverability, fish point, drift point, autopilot, and directional control all give you the ability to engage in your sport as never before. With a single Yamaha engine and Helm Master EX controls, Yamaha seemingly defies physics with surprising control and maneuverability that was thought only possible with multi-engine Helm Master applications. Helm Master EX is a world's first for single-engine boats, perfect for smaller center console and larger bay boats. It's the result of an expanded Helm Master command and control system that seamlessly ties boat and engine operation together. The new Helm Master EX for single-engine boats, expanding your possibilities on the water and your ultimate boating enjoyment. To learn more about the Helm Master EX integrated boat control system, go to YamahaOutboards.com or visit your local Yamaha dealer.